see, bringing it forward. This is going to be a long drive. That's just a clever idea. But there's Kotoko's free kick. And guess who's behind it? It's Asante. You've got Patrick Asiedo as well as Intimeno. But it's be Patrick Asiedo's hit. Long drive up front from Lions goalkeeper. That's a clever play now. That's big. That one in a touching shed. So twisting and turning on his in. Oh, but it's ball, and that's a lovely hit. And again, it dangles across. Allowed to come forward now. Here's Pichamidu Aqua. 101 with Dancy. Gets into the box. This is from Emmanuel Entry at Kotoko's defense. Ishmael, long drive. Looking for his man. Danso sent it across. That's a bit scary, isn't it? That is in to shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh, how it's just tipped away from the mouth of the goalpost. The Jetty banks it forward. That's Entry. Looking for a bit of space. Finds the Jetty. That's a big battle. And a flag. And this is where Lions went out to defend and is headed away. It's brought out. That'll stay with Kotoko right on the edge of the area. This is a lovely goal and it's in. Guess who hits it in? It's Justice Blay. And Kotoko at the above half time. Jump into the lead. What a touch and what a finish. And he sleeps. Just look at it for a hit. It was cleared, but not cleared enough. And that hit absolutely cannot be touched by Lawrence Osei. And Kotoko absolutely taking the lead at the moment at the other side. Yeah, Sechi count the hit it in. And is lifted deep. Comes of somebody.
Shmilado apija bonita pasu. Oyego! Shenibium. Ishmelado peja bonona. A print idea ni Fauzi Ali. Second half year no bim Kobia.
He did him on a counter. I think that I had about quite bad and a bit to me Abwa Kotoko ye because Bono and Yan there so far one match one money Heart of Lions Ebeko a bit to me I then Abwa
peja bonus mutempaso Emmanuel some rantene boniflo Sadi Bona Coche Emmanuel Entry Pejama Bona Sapim a Pejamo Etinimo Wuna Bonapim my oh my Asante Kotoko Manteno Baba Yaya beautiful play Bismarck Eni Upurimo 18 Akanim still Kwando out of Lions Kwame born up him Lions Simrantana Saji Bono Ishmelado Jemu Diamaninia Nasu Team Menu Jemu Diama Baba Yaya Kumas Ami Nasu goalkeeper Frederick Asare Jobi Junior or Peja Bonnet in Piano Amabona Trashe and they were away. I consider 10 goals. Samba O'Neill, Peter Amidou Aqua, Jemu Diabami Babaya shortless goalkeeper. Lawrence Osei Archibald.
Yeah, they are almost so almost be to me in Nabia second goal now. And also basically almost 3 points now because elsewhere, one young say other results are APM.
Game played Lions 1, Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
That's nearly an inch. Nanka Bono, it to me at Watana. And that will be the end for Krobia Asante Kotoko. No draw and I bet
referee Andrews the Bonache Kucho Obin Junior Johnny Baba Kucho Obin Junior Wapuri Moetia that can pass name to Mianko still Kucho Obin Junior referee Jakubu Hasim Washena Bendia Kensenina Banewie